What is up, YouTube? It is Toronto Raptor 77 here once again, and this video is gonna be a special video of an unboxing of a package that I got in the mail. It's pretty cool. You rarely see any of these around, and it came out about 13 years ago, and I actually remember getting one of these as a kid in 2005 when this first came out, and I thought it was like the coolest thing ever at the time because it had the small screen and everything like that. But anyways, let's get into this, and yeah. So let's get into this. Here it is. I don't want to show the other side because of, personal reasons, addresses and stuff like that, but let's get into this. And here it is. Wow. Look at this. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Factory sealed. 2005 iPod Nano. Mint condition. Never been opened. 2 gigabytes right here. 2 gigabytes. There's a little dent to the box a bit there, but that's not a big deal. You can barely see it, so yeah, look at this. This is unbelievable. I can't believe this, this came out that long ago, and so iPod Nano, Apple logo, and then I think on the other, yeah, right here, on this side right here. So it's got plays music and photo slideshows, up to 14 hours of music playback with rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Includes iPod Nano earphones, USB 2.0 cable, iTunes for Mac and Windows. Requires Mac or PC with USB, and yeah, 2000, Windows 2000. Or Windows XP, Homeware Professional. That's what they had back then, and iTunes 4.9 or later. So we basically have, like, I think it's iOS 11, 12, 13 or something. And nowadays, so this is a 1 gigabyte, 1 billion bytes, equals 1 billion bytes. And actual formatted capacity is less, obviously, because they need memory to make the thing. 4 minutes per song. And yeah, so I don't think this came out in 2005, but I don't think it has the Apple where it says the date next to it. But this did come out in 2005. I'm not, if you guys were wondering, I'm not going to be opening this. I bought this as a collector's item, and I want to keep it sealed. And yeah. I know and sometimes they grade these things, like where you can, these like authenticators, like not authenticators, but like these places, like, for like a baseball card, PSA, BGS. But I know that they could have a grading thing to put this box in, but with the dent in the upper area here, it probably was from shipping. I don't really want to, really get it graded because it costs a lot of money. But yeah, it's really cool. This is my favorite iPod ever because it's just got the classic design. As I said before, when I got this back in 05, I was super excited. I thought it was the greatest thing in the world because it was, the thing you could play music on. I was 8 years old in 2005, and yeah, just to have a factory sealed one from 13 years ago is unbelievable. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Have enjoyed it, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to leave a like and a comment, and I'd love to hear feedback from you guys. Thanks.